Good morning, student. Today in 10th class, we are going to start new chapter, the surface area and the volume. Here, question number 1, that is question number 1 is given in the book. That is, we have to find out, that is 2 cube of volume 60 centimeter cube joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So we have 2 cube is given here, and that is we have to find out the side of the cube as the volume is given. So volume of the cube is 64 centimeter cube. If the side of the cube is left side of the cube be a centimeter, then a cube equal to 64 centimeter cube, or a equal to 4 centimeter. Now 2 cube are joined. So when 2 cube are joined, then the length will be 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter. Height that remains same, that 4 centimeter, and breadth remains same, that 4 centimeter. Now surface area of the cuboid. So the surface area of new cuboid that is generated by the adding these two cube. So the 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L, that is the surface area formula. So 2 into 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. So we will get 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32 into 160 60 centimeter cube. Now question number 4 here, it is given that is a cube is cube and a hemisphere is surmounted on the cube. So we have to find out the that is surface area, that is total surface area of these solid particles. So the here question is that a cubical block of 7 centimeter is surmounted by the hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid. So that we have to find out the surface area of the solid. So here the greatest diameter, that will be the 7 centimeter, and hemisphere, that is the that is the length of the one side of the cube. So that will be 7 centimeter. So the surface area of the solid equal to 6r square, that is surface area of the cube, minus pi r square, as we have here given, that is the total surface area, but on the top one, that is covered by the hemisphere, then that part will be reduced. So the pi r square will be reduced, plus curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. So that is 6l square plus pi r square, that we will get 6l square plus pi r square. So after putting the value, that is 6 into 7 whole square plus 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square, that is the radius of the hemisphere will be 7 by 2, as the length is 7 centimeter, that diameter is 7 centimeter, then the radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter whole square, or that will give answer, that is 332.5 centimeter square. Now question number 9 is here given in book, that is a wooden article was made by the scooping out a hemisphere from the each end of the solid cylinder as shown in figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. So here article is given, and that is we have to solve that is scoop out, that is the two hemisphere are scooped out from the cylindrical tube or cylindrical wooden box. So we have to find out the surface area of these articles. So the surface area of the article equal to the curved surface area of cylinder, that is curved surface area of the cylinder, plus 2 into curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is curved surface area of the hemisphere. So what will we get? That is the so its area will be that is curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r h, that is will be the 2 pi r h plus 2 into pi r square, that is the curved surface area 2 pi r square, that is hemisphere, that 2 hemisphere is there, so curved surface area of the hemisphere. Now it will be, its formula will be 2 pi, we will take out the common, then 2 pi r h plus, that is h plus 2r, that will be the 2r. Then we will put the value as r is given, that is r is 7.5, diameter is 7.5, that r is given, r is 3.5 centimeter, and height h is equal to, that is 10 centimeter. It is given 10 centimeter. In book that is given 10 centimeter. So we'll put the value, that is we'll get 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5, that is into 3.5 in bracket, that is we will get 10 plus 2 into 3.5 centimeter square, or by solving we will get the answer, that is 324 centimeter square. In this way we have to solve the problem of the exercise 13.1. Thank you. Today class is over.